A is for active listening. Now, if you've never heard this phrase before, I'll explain. Active listening simply means showing someone that you're genuinely engaged in what they're saying, not just nodding along while you tune out. An active listener might paraphrase keywords or reflect back things you say. They will ask questions to show that they're genuinely interested. They'll be patient and reserve judgment. Why is this a good skill to have? Well, not only will it help you understand what others are really trying to say, it will help you earn their trust. And in business, that's invaluable.